Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to find logged in devices on ClearScore. If you want to find out how many devices or where else have you logged in with your ClearScore account for security reasons, then here is how you do it. First of all, open up a web browser and then type in app.clearscore.com and search. Make sure that you are logged into your ClearScore account as well. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select My Account from the expanded menu on the right corner. Under My Account, click on the View button under Account and Security. Now under Account Security, click on Manage under Manage Devices. Here you will be able to see the list of devices you are currently logged into on ClearScore. If you have any suspicious device on the list, you can simply go ahead and change the password on your ClearScore account to revoke any unauthorized access. So that is how you view your device's login details on ClearScore. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.